So if you want to use AI to convert leads into sales through SMS, this is by far the best platform to do it. This is AppointWise. It is an AI appointment setter that qualifies the leads and that tries to sell to the leads. Mostly this is used for high ticket stuff. So if you want to, for example, schedule a lot of calls with your leads, this is a great platform for that. So AppointWise is usually working with Go High Level. So you will need both AppointWise and Go High Level for this to work. So first of all, you register with AppointWise. I will kind of guide you through the entire process and how you can integrate this with SMS. So first of all, you register with AppointWise, and then you want to integrate this with Go High Level in order for this to work. Because how this works is Go High Level is a central hub, a CRM where all your leads are living in. And then what happens is AppointWise is essentially that middleman that will convert those leads, qualify those leads, and then book a call with those leads. So in this case, what you want to do is you want to go to Go High Level. And as you can see in AppointWise, it's saying import the snapshot. A snapshot is a link, a way to integrate AppointWise into Go High Level. So Go High Level has two different views. You have an agency view and you have a sub-account view. An agency view is just an admin view, and sub-account is where you're actually going to be setting up your appointment setter so that you can use that AI to convert those leads into sales. So in this case, you want to go and create a sub-account. And in the sub-account, if it looks like this, just make sure to refresh it. My cache is sometimes kept here, but as you can see, go to regular account and then search for your specific business. For example, I have marketing agency, so I select and continue, and I want to go here and I want to find my marketing agency. So in this case, I'll just add a marketing agency and I'll click here and I'll go through this entire thing. This is my own account. If you're setting this up for your client, then you can do this, but you can click this is my own account. Then once you have the sub account, go to that sub account, which is going to be, let's say this one, and go to the AppointWise, copy the snapshot link. While you're logged in Go High Level, just paste this in another tab. And you simply want to go here, hit yes, import now. And you will be able to import this in your Go High Level account, as you can see. Now, as you can see, you will need to also add this in your sub account. So this is just a snapshot. So what we want to do is we want to go to the sub account and go to the sub account where you want to add this snapshot to, manage client, actions, load snapshot, and then here you want to select that snapshot and hit proceed. Once you have this snapshot in, it will look like this. So if you go to the dashboard, the snapshot will be under the automations, and you will have the automation right here. It's called AEW AI agent, but what you want to do is you want to go to settings, custom values, and then here you have a AppointWise API key and a AppointWise client ID. So here you want to copy the API key, you want to hit OK, and then you want to go here, edit, and paste that API key in there, okay? You do the same for AppointWise client ID, and that will connect your AppointWise with Go High Level. Obviously, you will need to go click next and connect to Go High Level and select your sub account. So in this case, just select your sub account. I already did this, so it's working fine for me. Now I need to go to my AI agents here. I already have one AI agent, which I'm going to delete for now because I want to show you how to do this for yourself. So go to Copilot and here select create an AI agent. And as you can see, this is going to ask you whether this is for your business or for your clients. I'm doing for my business. And then I put the business name, which is going to be FYD. And then I put my website, which is going to be this right here. So I'll put my website here, analyze the website. Now it will tell me more about the services in details that you are doing. So what I do is I go to ChatGPT, I copy this, I paste it in here, and then I simply go here and say, tell me more about services that I am selling. And then what you can do is, based on this website, it will give you all of the services that you're selling already, either way. So yeah, we go here, we pretty much highlight all of this, okay? And then we paste this in AppointWise. This will just feed our AI appointment setter. Next up, what you want to do is if you want to book appointments with this through SMS, or if you want to send booking links, you can do that. But booking appointments with AI is much better because it reduces the friction. Because if you're sending the links, your leads will need to book the calls for themselves. In this case, you're booking for them. So what you want to do is you go high level, go back, go to calendars, and you want to go to calendar settings. And here you want to go new calendar. Now make sure to create a personal booking if you have an online business, or service booking if you have a local business or offline business. So in this case, personal booking works. You create a calendar and you will have all the calendars right here. As you can see, I have 4 of them, but you need only 1. And then from there, click here. You will get a lot of these calendars. So I'll just go main service calendar and then turn off follow-ups only. Again, we don't need follow-ups because Go High Level will actually do the follow-ups for us. And in this case, as you can see, we're building our AI strategy here. So it's currently being uploaded. And in a couple of seconds, we'll get the entire strategy and we'll just need to optimize it. And then I will also show you how you can connect it to SMS. So view AI agent, as you can see. Now this AI agent works based on Go High Level tag, which I'm about to show you later in this video, how you can set this up. This is, as you can see, the prompt. So we have the prompt. We can adjust the prompt through these things right here. We can also add English as a language, save prompt. What I also like to do is adjust the tone to be enthusiastic and energetic. Objection handling, I put it at top closer, qualification priority balanced, and creativity 50. This will just allow us to convert our leads with AI in a much more effortless way. We can also add the initial message delays here and response delays. Conversation here, again, you can adjust the initial message, qualification questions, follow-ups, and when these follow-ups will take place. Again, as I said, Appointwells will do the follow-ups for you, and Go High Level will do as well if you turn on the automation for appointment reminders in Go High Level, which I'm about to show you as well. Configurations, this should be already pre-configured for you right here with a service calendar. Knowledge base, again, you don't have to add anything here because prompt will do its own thing. However, if you want, you can add frequently asked questions if it's needed, if it's important for you. And tasks, you don't do anything with the tasks. So hit save. And here you can test your AI agent by clicking test. And as you can see, you can test them with a Go High Level contact ID. So in this case, you can go to your Go High Level, you can go to contacts, and then here what you can do is you can simply add a contact, which is just a simple contact. And from there, you just add a contact, and then you add John Smith, and then hit save. So this is just an example contact. Make sure to add a phone number as well. You copy this, you paste it right here, okay? And then you put the message, hey, I am interested in your services, for example. This is what a lead will say to your AI agent. You click FYD, run tests, and then this is going to be just an example of a test. You can test this throughout the entire thing. So as you can see, you can test this AI. Now 5-second delay, and then we have our AI appointment setter, as you can see right here. Now from there, what will happen is you need to go to the next step, which is launching this in Go High Level. Now, how to launch this in Go High Level? Go to your sub account, go to your automations, and then go to your AW AI agent and go to your trigger AI. Now in here, what you want to do is right here, I have a couple of triggers, as you can see. Now I only want one trigger here. And for one trigger, I will show you how to do this. So delete this one. So we have one trigger, which is customer reply, the reply channel, and it's going to be SMS. We also want to make sure we set up a phone number for our SMS, which I'm about to show you soon. And then we add a tag here, add a contact tag. And then here, it needs to be a tag from your AI agent. So go to your AI agent, copy the tag, paste it right here, add a new tag, hit save, and then publish this, hit save. And then whenever someone replies to your SMS, you will be able, or AI appointment setter will be able to convert those leads into sales or qualify them. From there, what you can do is, obviously what you need to do is go to settings and then phone system. And then in the phone system, you want to create your phone number. So adding a number is as simple as clicking add number and then purchasing a number within a country you're in. So for example, if it's United States, it's going to cost you $1 per month, really cheap. And then that will be connected immediately with your automation. Now, as I said, you can also have appointment reminders whenever someone books a call with you. In this case, this is going to be connected to your calendar. So as you can see, you have your calendars here, for example, this one, and your calendars, what they have inside is, if you go to advanced settings, they have a form. And this form can be created if you go back here through sites, forms, and then you can add a form here from scratch. And you can add this form on your calendar. Now, why is this important? This is important because you add this form. Obviously, you can adjust this form however you want. You can delete parts of it. And let's say we have this form, we save it, and we can go back to our calendar, right? In this case, it's going to be under our calendars, calendar settings. We have here a calendar, and then advanced settings, we have forms, and then here we add a form, form 1. We save that form, okay? Now what we want to do is we want to do every time someone books a call through that form and fills in that form, we want to go create workflow and want to start from scratch. So anytime someone books a call through that form, we want to send them appointments, like reminders. So we add a trigger here. A trigger is going to be form submitted, and it's going to be form is, and then form 1, okay? You save that. And then once this form is submitted, we're going to be sending an email. So in this case, you can send an email, or what you can do is you can send an SMS. Again, SMS would also work if your clients in that form, if they actually add their phone number. So make sure you're collecting phone number and emails for this to work. So that's essentially how you can do this and how you can use AI to convert leads into sales through SMS. Again, this is obviously done through Go High Level mostly. Appointwise is a great help too, because it just builds that qualification AI agent that qualifies your leads and converts them into sales later on. So hopefully this video helps you out. If you have any specific questions, make sure to comment below, and we'll see you in the next video.